Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you the best and the most easy way to start a dropshipping business right now. So normally starting a dropshipping business, you have to go through keyword research, you have to find the products you're actually going to sell, and you also have to look for suppliers that are going to sell you high quality product, and also look for a way to market this product to your customer. So this is the basic ideology behind a dropshipping business. You have to have a dropshipping website, you have to have a product, and you have to have a supplier that is going to send this product to your customer. So once you have all of that in place, the next thing you have to do is to look for a way to market this product. But right now I'm going to show you one of the best and the most easiest way to do that right now. So you don't have to go through all those stress of looking for a product, go through the stress of having a website or setting up a website yourself, and go through the stress of looking for a supplier that is going to send good quality product to your customer. Because right now what I'm going to show you is how to get started right now and begin marketing your product and start making sales the next day. So if this is something you would like to do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about this video, drop them in the comment section, and most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to show you how you can get started with your dropshipping business with a ready-made dropshipping website. So unlike the usual dropshipping method where you have to build the website yourself, you have to add product yourself, and you have to integrate your website to a supplier that is going to fulfill the order on your behalf. Now this is a website that is completely done for you, and the best part is you don't have to pay a dime. All right, so if you are going through the route of Shopify, you still have to subscribe to the Shopify free 30 days trial. So while you are in the trial using Shopify, you still have to add product to your website, you still have to design the website yourself, and you still have to research good products that you can sell, and also link your Shopify store to the supplier app or the supplier website that is going to fulfill the orders on your behalf. But the one I'm going to show you right now is completely done for you. So looking at this website, so this is an example of a website that is completely done for you, and you don't have to pay a dime to gain access to this website right now. So looking at this website, this is a beautifully built website that you're going to gain access to. It includes products that you can sell right now. So these are tested products that is bound to sell when you start marketing them. So it comes with product, it comes with supplier that is going to fulfill the product on your behalf. All you have to do is get access to this website, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So this is the website we're going to be using. All right, so I'm going to add a link at the description of the video to this website. All right, so as you can see, it says start your online business for free today. Let us build you the perfect e-commerce store with top selling products. It will run on autopilot and generate profit for years to come. Now the best part is, if you go to the description of the video, click the link, you're going to gain access to this exact page, and what you're going to gain access to is an $100 voucher plus the free store you're going to gain access to. So let me just show you an idea of what you could be making when you start your dropshipping business with this kind of ready-made or built for you dropshipping website. So looking at the kind of products they have here, all right, so let's assume you have a product that is selling for $129 or that is selling for $99. So let's take, for example, you'll be selling a product that is going to cost your customer $99. So let's go over to this profit calculator. So let me just do a quick calculator for you and see how much you're going to be making from your dropshipping website. So this is the wholesale price. So let's assume you're going to be getting the product from your supplier at $30. So I'm going to enter $30 here, and let's assume your customer is going to buy this product for $99. So let's assume on each product you are spending $15, or let's assume you're spending $10 to advertise the product, and let's assume for each product you are using $5, or let's assume you are using $4 to ship them, and miscellaneous fee, let's assume this is $10. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on calculate, and you can see, so your profit on each product is going to be $45. So let's assume you were able to sell 200 of these products in a month, all right, which is completely easy. Or so let's assume you were able to sell 250 of this product. All right, so I'm going to multiply 250 multiply by $45, which is the profit you are making on each product. So 250 multiplied by $45. So let's see how much you're going to be making. So at the end of the month, the total profit you're going to be making from your store is going to be $11,250 if you are selling a product that is going to cost your customer $99. So your profit on this product at the end of the month is going to be around over $11,000. Now let's see how much this store is going to cost you. Now this store is going to cost you $39 per month after the 14 days free trial. And the best part is when you are getting the store, it comes with everything you need, to run a successful dropshipping business. Now the product is included, the supplier is integrated. All you have to do is just gain access to this dropshipping store and start marketing them. All right, so to get started, all you simply need to do is just come over here. All right, then click on get all for free. All right, so what you want to do here is you want to enter your email address. All right, so I'm going to enter my email address here, then I'm going to enter my card details here. So when you enter your card details, they're not going to charge you. All right, so as you can see, this is what you're going to be gaining access to. You're going to be gaining access to a turnkey dropshipping store, which is going to be $0. Okay, the hosting of the website, which is going to be $0, and the post subscription of the the post subscription is for the supplier website that is going to be fulfilling the order on your behalf. So you don't have to worry about looking for supplier again. Everything is integrated together. All right, and you also have Amazon business package. That is, you could also integrate Amazon dropshipping with your dropshipping website. So this is more like an all-in-one dropshipping website that you're going to be gaining access to for just $0. All right, so what you have to do here is just enter your email address. All right, so I'm going to enter my email address here. So after that, I'm going to enter my card details. So let me quickly enter my card details and show you how to gain access. All right, so I've just entered my card details now. So all I have to do now is to come over here, then click on complete order. All right, so as you can see, my card has been processed. So the next thing I have to do now is to answer this 3 questions. So just to let them know the kind of store I'm going to be getting. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on answer now. So the first question is, what is going to be the name of my store? So this is going to be the domain of the website we're going to be using. All right, so if you're going to be creating a dropshipping website, you actually need to buy a domain for yourself. All right, so these are the options we have here. So the name of the store I'm going to be getting access to, so I have to choose the domain name here. So these are the one they have, and these are the premium one that is going to cost you money. All right, so I'm just going to go with the free one down here. All right, so I'm just going to show gallery ultimate buys.shop. All right, so this is going to cost me $0. So all I have to do is I'm going to click this. All right, then after that I'm going to click on continue here. So the next thing I have to do now is to choose a theme for the dropshipping website I'm going to gain access to. So this is more like a way to upsell you, but as you can see, the ones we have here are paid dropshipping theme. All right, so if you scroll down, you're going to see the one that is free. All right, so this Botticelli is actually free. So I'm going to click on this, then after that I'm going to click to continue. So finally, what you have to do here is choose some of the packages they have. So as you can see now, this is a marketing package whereby you're going to gain access to TikTok videos that you can use to promote your store, but this is going to cost you money. So the next one here is product catalog upgrade. So based on the product you have on your website, so if you want more products, you could also pay for this. All right, so if you want additional 100 products on the new dropshipping website you're going to gain access to, you could select that here, and this 100 product is going to cost you $29. So if you want 200 products, it's going to cost you $49, and if you want 500 products, it's going to cost you $89. So if you want any of this, all you have to do is just click on add now, but I want to make it free as much as possible. All right, so I'm not going to select any of this because it actually comes with product already. So what I'm going to do now is come over here, then click to finish. Finally, what you have to do is click on no thanks, I'm not ready to take this offer. But if you want to get 100 more product for your catalog, and this is which is going to cost you for just 2.99 cents, all right, you can just go for this special offer, but I'm not doing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on no thanks, I'm not ready to take this offer right now. All right, so as you can see, our dropshipping business is completely ready. So if you want to take a look at your dropshipping store, just see how it looks like, what you have to do is come over here, then click on, so this is the name of my dropshipping store, Gallery Ultimate Buys.shop. All right, so right here you could click on go to store. All right, so let me click on go to store and open it on another tab so we can see how it looks like. All right, so this is the store I just bought right now. So as you can see right now, I get access to a completely done for you dropshipping website. So normally if I'm to start from scratch, I have to start, building this dropshipping website myself, adding products to it and the likes. So as you can see, so these are some of the bestseller products I have on this dropshipping store already. So these are products I could, start marketing right now and start making sales. All right, so you could just go through all of these products, and if this is something you like, you could go ahead. As you can see, everything is beautifully made. All right, so if this is okay, all you need to do is just connect your payment gateway to your dropshipping website and start promoting your dropshipping store on social media. So I think TikTok is going to be a good place for you to promote this product. And when you start promoting this product and when you start making sales, you can now start looking for ways to cover your monthly subscription, which is going to be easy because I'm sure you're going to start making sales right away.